Chapter. This software is the one service employment our special way. C is all you needed to dominate your market or add great client anytime you want. See what's the new traffic code. This software name is a traffic code. Oh my god, very excellent name. Friend, see this software price 29 only. You purchase Visa card, PayPal, Mastercard. Also, see this video, this website, this video. What do you see?
This one service implemented in our special
How
way
to
is
use
all you
this.
need to dominate your market and get clients anytime you want. Aloha, I'm Tom Gaddis, and on behalf of my business partner, Nick Ponte, our launch partners, David Sprague and John Donges, welcome to our new marketing strategy. Look, let's face it, marketers have been from one crisis to another in this crazy economy today. And the clients we help have faced some serious challenges too. Now look, I'm not trying to alarm you. I just want to open your eyes and help you be better prepared for what's coming. See, this economy is being sucked into a storm of price increases, product and employee shortages, and small businesses are on the front line feeling the pressure every single day. Now, while the public can go without many of these items, businesses don't have that option. I mean, if you're a steakhouse, you can't not have steak. If you're an oil change company, you can't wait to buy oil. They are being squeezed like never before. In fact, it's all the businesses in shopping centers and business centers like this all over Nevada, the United States, and the world are talking about. The reason I point this out to you is because if you're going to those businesses and you are offering them services that aren't directly tied to their ROI, their return on investment, or services that don't really kick in and start to deliver results in 3, 6, 9 months, you know the services I'm talking about, then you're fighting a losing battle. You have to be offering services right now that can be directly tied to return on their marketing investment. And it needs to do it quickly because these businesses need sales today. Now, one of the biggest challenges that local businesses face is how to maximize their online traffic, right? Especially how to get more leads, visitors, and sales. Well, we've spent the last few months analyzing, testing, and refining a system that has finally cracked the traffic code. And we're excited to bring it to you, our marketing family. I'm happy to introduce the launch of Secret Traffic Code. This is a system that we have been using to consistently close 500 plus deals, and our students have been practically producing profits every day. Look, in Secret Traffic Code, we'll show you everything you need to know, everything you need to do to put this system in place. But that's not
Yes,
all.
of course.
See, we went to
Good.
our launch partners, David and John, and we said, hey, how can we make this even easier? We want this
Yes,
so
of course.
anyone can do it,
Right.
whether they're a freelancer, whether they're a stay-at-home mom, whether they're full-time, whether they're part-time, whether they're a retiree, whether they're a student. How can we help them implement this strategy? And boy, did John and David deliver. They created a piece of software that makes fulfillment a breeze and can even help you get clients as well with a simple foot in the door strategy. We call it the Traffic Intensifier software. It's a $399 value, and when you pick up the Secret Traffic Code, you get it absolutely free. That's right, you get this combination of hardcore training, software, a $399 value included for free when you pick up the Secret Traffic Code today. We'll show you everything you need to know inside the course. We'll show you the foundational stuff, the strategy, how to get clients, how to do fulfillment, some of our best strategies for delivering results quickly. Now look, when you get in early, you get a substantial discount on the Secret Traffic Code, and you get the Traffic Intensifier software for free. But that's not gonna last. The price is going up quickly, and it will have a big price raise here in just a few days. So look, don't wait, don't procrastinate. Grab the secret traffic code now. Click the button. We're excited for you to see what awaits you inside. And look, we want to welcome you to our marketing family. So grab secret traffic code, get the traffic intensifier software, a $399 value for free. All you have to do is click that button and we'll see you on the inside. Aloha.
Thank you friend. All are you see my video description link about this video or more information on this software. This software more information see or watch traffic is not opportunity. The system secret traffic code. See second is traffic code and traffic in intensifier software are here to profit time. See our traffic software make getting result and easy as 1 2 3. See use it for support easy. Use it to got your foot in the door. Use it to got results just like this. Imagine what that look like for maintain. That's where the sweet traffic code changing everything. Now for first time, imagine just few minute work and complete click. It's a 100% game changes opportunity for your business because all it take is a few minutes following the secret traffic code to show decision makers extend how to cool result their perfect instantly making all their marketing 100% 200 300 more effective, making you a incredible valuable resource to their business now and for your to come. So let me ask you again, what if you could copy simple perfect system which come down to a complete to of click? How are while addition traffic including systems make everything easily fulfill the service without experience, no needed to even ask passive selling. Introducing the foot door service. 90% use object. Work Google not a single service is try to sell it easy. Following the proof generate more lead, add more sale, add new customer, encourage profile, got more referral, system language purchase, provide advertisement, create, see more than information. Also these people also review, just look at what you are student client how to say. No one has been expensive their command. See this product review, also this man also how to use or how to profitable. See these people also use or how to profit. See these people also use 90-day trial how to profit. Oh my god, see, listen, oh, very freedom life and enjoyable life, or also enjoy your family or enjoy your time, every moment enjoy in your family time. See more than information about my video description link, or click here, or more than this software, or buy this software, also very useful software, or also you use this software. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video. More information about my video description link, please you also share your friend or your family or your other friend circle. Please subscribe my channel, or more next video, or next video you see, just attend to my video or subscribe my channel or click the bell icon. See more bonuses, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 7, bonus 5, also special. Take care. Also review, many people review 30-day money back guarantee, so it is a risk free. Now cost 200% or 300% more than when you draft this software. 30-day money back guarantee. So what do you think, what you feeling? Just better feeling today, or buy this software or use this software, many useful software. Thank you friend, thank you for watching my video. More information about my video description link or buy button. Please subscribe my channel or click the bell icon, or more and more in video coming soon. On next video you must be see very interesting next video.